If you have Files by Google installed on your phone, you can easily convert any file into a zip. To convert a file into a zip, open Files by Google and select the file which you want to convert. Then tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap Rename. Now, add .zip at the end, or remove the file extension, then add .zip and tap OK. Then tap Rename. Once it was done, go to Documents and Other, and you will find that zip you created. But we cannot extract this zip. Then how can we get our file back? To do that, click on the three dots and select Rename, and instead of .zip, add .mp4. In your case it will be the extension of the file which you have zipped. Then tap Rename, and it will extract the zip. So, adding .zip without removing its actual extension will help to remember the file type. Hope it helps. If this video is useful for you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.